If you are planting tomatoes and wondering what to feed them with, when and how much, stay until the end, because today we are talking about the best nutrition for tomatoes from planting to picking. We are not talking about miracles or instant solutions, but about continuity, because tomatoes do not ask for much, but they ask for it at the right time. It all starts at the moment of planting. Tomatoes do not grow from the top down, but from the roots. The soil should be loose, not cold, and not too dry. At this stage, you do not need strong top dressing because too much food means a lot of leaves and little fruit. A little mature compost or good soil in the hole and watering with plain water is enough. The goal is only one, for the plant to take root and grow strong roots. In the first 10 to 14 days, tomatoes take root, and this is where most people make a mistake. They see that the plant is dormant and immediately add something strong. This is not something to do. At this stage, the plant builds roots, adapts to the soil, and seeks peace. If you want to help, let it be a very mild natural supplement or just good water and stable conditions. If the root is strong, everything later goes much easier. When the growth of leaves and stems starts, the tomato enters a phase of intensive development. Then it needs nitrogen, but in moderation, along with minerals and microelements. The best thing you can do is to give it a mild and regular supplement. It is better to give it a little but often than a lot and then a long break. If you overdo it, you will get a lot of green mass and few flowers, and this later means fewer fruits. When flowering begins, we reach the crucial moment. This is where it is decided whether the plant will be bearing fruit or the flowers will fall off. Tomatoes then do not like stress, they do not like drying out, and they do not like sudden changes. At this stage, they need more potassium, a stable diet, and regular watering. If the flowers fall off, it is a sign that something is out of balance, water, food, or both. When fruits begin to form, tomatoes use the most energy. The fruit is filled with size, juice, and flavor. The most important thing is not to dry out the plant, not to shock it, and not to constantly change the method of feeding. A simple and proven routine gives much better results than constantly adding new products and recipes. In the ripening and picking phase, you need to slow down. When the fruits start to turn red, there is no need for strong feeding. The plant should be allowed to complete its cycle. At this stage, the flavor comes to the fore, and excess nitrogen can only spoil it. Less is more. Remember one thing, tomatoes do not like shocks. They like order, peace, and continuity. It is not just a matter of what you feed them, but when, how much, and how often. If this text was useful to you, write in the comments what kind of tomatoes you are planting and whether you want a special text or video only about natural feeding. Like, subscription, and the bell help the channel a lot, and we will see you soon because the real season is just beginning.